Located in Boston's Seaport Innovation District, the Autodesk Technology Center provides access to large format fabrication equipment, a wide range of robotics, ample project space, and training and expertise from Autodesk personnel. Renishaw's technology allows us to improve our customers' workflows by connecting the design to the machine. We are able to de-risk this technology for our customers and residents in the Outsite Network, which is a global community of teams from industry, academic, and entrepreneurial sectors who are passionate about accelerating and researching design and make processes.
Additive manufacturing, or metal 3D printing, is becoming more and more adopted as a production technology within industry. We are proud to be a leading manufacturer of advanced laser powder bed fusion machines and customer-tailored solutions. The single software environment of Fusion allows for a seamless workflow from part design, simulation, 3D printing, and post-processing machining. Our collaboration with Autodesk has allowed us to bring our expertise in manufacturing into the Fusion environment and has allowed us to demonstrate the connectivity of our hardware with Autodesk software. We're excited to have our latest RenAM 500Q on site in the Autodesk Technology Center, Boston. This will give customers the potential to discover the benefits of designing for additive manufacturing and the software tools needed to develop new and innovative concepts.
Laser powder bed fusion can be an expensive, time-consuming process, but with the 500Q's technology and the onboard systems alongside Autodesk Fusion 360 for both CAD and its embedded print preparation environment, it creates for a more seamless and efficient workflow. One of the things we love about Fusion 360 is its additive process simulation feature that allows us to predict and simulate the part's distortion behavior during the print. So we can actually simulate the part beforehand to analyze potential print failures and reiterate the design within Fusion 360 to prevent them from happening during the actual build. Leveraging Fusion Team for design, data management, and centralization allows customers in different locations to work on the same design, the same build prep, and simulations for real-time collaboration.